Minister lo chichi koyaite no Asioman now senior Dr. John Chrysostom Muingo nesi Kenya ki Apolok kinito Isomeroi ko Uganda aisacha alengakina pukono Isomeroi kech eroko atamu egera nunese keu ningesi kosomera lote so college na jari ngesa itegeara ina petanu etukono kinotori Apolok kinito Isomeroi kangini karu kanwa etama Apollo na Asioman kakwapuo.
No school is worth its name without offering a vibrant program of sports on its curriculum. No school. In this regard, I add my voice to congratulate our school that registered several wins, Pesa Games in Ihule, Rwanda. Let us all embrace sports and games in our schools and develop the full potential and the talents of these young people. And I thank you because I know with the organization this will happen.
Apolok kinito Isomeroi ko Uganda Augustine Mugabo ngesi abu ocham ebe elosete kwana kesi Alimokine somaelo apukonor ka agolonokin Isomeroi.
The minister has talked about the school calendar that we ought to be respected, and indeed we must respect it. He has talked about conducting holiday lessons, which is illegal, and I want to encourage head teachers who have been allowing it to take place to stop it. And he has also cautioned the people who close schools in as much as the government allowed closure to stagger. Staggering does not mean closing 3 weeks before.
Mugalunge sobui marake minister atio kishonu itoltolete Apollo na Asioman kakwapuok.
Honourable Minister, we have incomplete structures in some of the schools, particularly the city schools. Money was returned to consolidated fund because of the contractors who did not do due diligence. We have a number of schools with caretaking head teachers. Yes, the terminologies will change. They will talk about signing them higher duties, but they remain caretakers. A caretaker fears to take a decision. First of all, is challenged by the board, challenged by the ministry officials. Whatever you want to do, everybody will tell you, remember you are a caretaker.
E commissionalo Isomeroi luo senior Sam Galoba nesabu obongo kinu kere kobala ebe ijai kwa pekwa na puga ne otara ko wailo Alimokin aina peta no Asioman kakwapuo.
We have a total of about 1,900 teachers not yet deployed. We have held several meetings with stakeholders, but the challenge has been wage. Ministry of Finance provided 15 billion for this wage, but the total requirement was 50 billion. So we have a deficit of 35 billion. However, we were promised that after the audit of the payroll, some money will be identified so that we can now post these teachers. Schools with caretakers. Honourable Minister, I agree with the chairman. We have in the past few months been inviting and compiling information on all caretaker teachers in schools. And we have asked for your requirements, your documentations, your CVs, so that we see how to push this matter out of our way once and for all. I want to
Kanuka TV East Solomon Eramu Koibuga Soroti.